Hey everybody, welcome to tonight's pour. Now tonight's pour is going to be a double car themed painting. No, it's not two cars on it. It's a car from the movie Cars. So we got Lightning McQueen. So I saw this one in the store a while back and I thought, oh, I should get that, and then I didn't, and I finally ended up buying one and thought, well, I could do a Cars one. So I know it's a good movie. A lot of kids love it. My grandkids love it. So I thought, well, hey, I can do one. So what we're going to do tonight is just a white background with flames coming out. Your basic fire, shooting fire out the back. You know I love flames, so we got to do some flames. So we're going to be using Artist Loft White, Artist Loft Red, Artist Loft Yellow, and then some Master's Touch Orange. Those are the only colors we're going to use. And we're going to put the white down, and then we'll do the Dutch pour of the fire out at the back. So I've already got all the paints mixed. I got the paint down on the canvas. All I got to do is adjust the camera, and we can get started. All right, as you can see, we have the white paint down. So when I do a Dutch pour, I try to put the darker color on the bottom. And then go lighter and lighter. I think I might have some paint left in the cup. I'll do just a little bit more. Alrighty. Pull up my chair here. Give me a paper towel and a little stir stick there, which I dropped one on the floor, so I'll use that one. I better get my lids back on my jars before I forget them. Now to make my little flames. All right, here we go. What I do is every time I get done, I wipe it so that you aren't dragging some of these colors back up into here where you're starting at. And I've also found that you can do flames on the inside as well, the flickers. It doesn't just have to be on the outside. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Get the torch. We'll have our car right there. Be a nice little piece. All right, as you can see, we have the dry painting here now. Turned out really good. I really like how it turned out. We got it taped on the back so that when in the morning when I come back before I go to work, I can just peel that off and knock off all those things. So we got our car that we're gonna sit right there. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. All right, so we have a 10 by 20 canvas, so we're gonna be using 7 ounces of resin, 3.5 the epoxy, 3.5 the hardener. If you haven't watched very many of my videos or listened to all of it, you can find out how much resin you need per size of the canvas just by going to Art Resin Calculator and typing in the size of your canvas, and it will give you the total amount of resin you need. Now I say that because like you type in 10 by 20, it says 7 ounces. That doesn't mean 7 ounces of the hardener, 7 ounces of the epoxy. You split that in half. There's something in there. I just cleaned out my cup, my resin cup, which I have a video, a tutorial on how to do that. But I think some resin, hard resin, got in there. There it is, right there. See that? So we'll put that, let that dry in there. Yeah, I didn't. Usually I let it build up. Is there another piece? There's another piece right there. I usually let it dry or thicken. Use it. I cleaned it out not too long ago. I think I only did a couple of resin projects, paintings. Usually I let it get thick enough to where it'll pull out real easy and not. It was too thin basically, and so it stuck to the side of the inside of the cup, and I guess I didn't get it. But it came out when I was mixing and pouring. But luckily we found them, or it would look like a defect in the painting in that resin, and I would not have been happy. That is the one thing. Oh, there's another piece. Where'd it go? Stick to my finger. Yeah. That's the thing with resin. Working with resin, I found, is that any little imperfection can really. Now, I will say that and I have improved on this, but it seemed like I would always point that out to the person that's wanting to buy it or looking at it. And then I've gotten away from pointing out the flaws in the painting because I'm the only one that really knows they're there or sees them, because I'm happy because I got a new torch today. So this is the first time using it. It's a lot more powerful, I can tell already, which I'm liking. But yeah, my torch that I was using stopped lighting. I mean, it still shot out the butane, the fuel part of it, but it just was not. I don't know if it's probably like a, I guess I can get the instructions out, I don't do that. It's probably like a lighter where you need a new Bic in there, or whatever, flint, not a Bic. Bic is a lighter. It needs a new flint in there. Maybe that's what that needs. Not too bad. But I went and bought this today. I got it at Home Depot. It's gone up $10 since the last time I bought one. But over the 6.5, going on 7 years that I had done this style of painting, this is only my third one. So my first two lasted over 6.5 years. So that's pretty good, I guess. Especially since you use it quite a bit. Or at least I do. But the last one I bought, this thing was around $25, and this one was $35. definitely got rid of the... So as you can see, it's brand new. Nice. And all you do is at the bottom, when it runs out, you got a thing for your butane. Here's your can of butane. You can just stick it in there and fill it up, which these don't come full, so I had to fill it up before I started. All right. So we're going to take this little Lightning McQueen. Something in there. What's something in there? Glad I saw that. So we're going to take the Lightning McQueen and set him right in there. Awesome, awesome. All right. I think it looks good. Hit the like button if you like this. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And as always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can get any new videos I post. You can see those. And as always, thanks for watching.